Give me the final numbers here.
We ended up with
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying right here. Got an awesome video for you this morning. As most of you know, I did a complete stage 2 on Sandstorm, my 2020 Streetlight CVO that you see right here, recently. And Chromeworks sent out a complete 2-into-2 Eclipse system, which is what you're hearing right now. You will also know that I used to have Chromeworks 4.5-inch mufflers, and one of my subscribers and now one of my friends, Ulysses, is at Nedal's house with his 2021 Road Glide Special, and we're going to install my prior Chromeworks that were on this bike on his bike. And I'm taking you with me. Before I do, I'm Flying Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Streetlight CVO that you see right here. I feature cinematic drone footage. I also feature a 2022 BMW R1250 GS called Airwolf. And I fly a DJI Mavic 2 drone. And I do all sorts of things here on the channel. Product upgrades, product reviews, ride videos, installations like the one we're about to do now at Nedal's house, group rides, destination rides, all across this great state of New Jersey. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. It's going to be a hot one. It's actually supposed to be one of the hottest days of the summer today. So we're getting out there. We're getting out there early. We're headed to Nedal's house. Ulysses is already there with Nedal. They probably started the work already on the bike. After that, we're going to go for a nice ride. We're going to take you with me. And then also, Nedal finally got his 2021, or I should say his 2022 Streetlight Special back from Dave. Now completely tuned with a 131, and the bike is an absolute beast. So we're going to take it out for a test ride, and I'm bringing you that all here today on the channel. So stick around. All right, so we're about, I don't know, 16 minutes from Nedal's place. I'm gonna shut this off here, and then once I get to Nedal's house, we'll turn it back on. I'm gonna do a nice walk around of Ulysses' bike. Test out that beast of a bike. And then we're gonna take all the bikes out for a nice ride. So I'll catch you in a bit. All right, we are at Nedal's. We just got here, and like I said in the video, one of our friends, also one of my subscribers, he's got his 2021 Road Glide Special here, and he's getting the 4.5-inch Chromeworks exhaust that I had on Sandstorm prior, before installing this upgrade. He's gonna put it, well, Nedal, as you can tell, the mad scientist is at work. He's helping Ulysses install it on his bike.
Thank you.
Nice hat, Ulysses. Where'd you get that hat, man?
Always
Flying Ride in the house. Nice. So he's getting the 4.5-inch Chromeworks here. And then eventually he's going to get the shields to match. But for now, he wants to just install it. He's going to get his tips a little bit later on. And again, Nedal's going to do the work. And then after here, we're going to go and show him some of the local roads in New Jersey and go for a nice ride. Look at the magician out there.
Yeah, magician.
All right, we'll be back shortly. I'm at Nedal's house. He's doing some work on my friend's bike, and he just got his 131 back from Dave, Dyno Dave. So Nedal, real quick,
What's up?
give me the final numbers here.
We ended up with 157 horsepower and 160.7 torque.
Jesus.
So
160 torque. So that's
almost
what I have. I
161.
have 126 on mine, 124. So it's like almost another motorcycle of power.
But it's I'll tell you, it's a different power delivery because this one wakes up at 4,000 RPM. But off the bat, at 2,000 RPM, you're at 140 torque. So
Really?
you're at 140 torque at idle.
At idle. At
So
idle.
go ahead. Now you'll see.
All right, so we're gonna test this bad boy out. I've got the 360 on here. I've got the wireless DJI mic. And then I'm gonna switch over here. My buddy Ulysses is gonna be recording on his phone. You can see him right there. So hi Ulysses, the camera's watching you.
Yes, sir.
And
Hi.
then we're gonna take it for a quick spin to test this beast out. Let's see. Oh yeah, buddy! Wow! Woo-hoo! All right, let's go. Holy smokes! Wow! Holy smokes! That thing pulls. What a difference. All right, so I rode this bike after the 131, before Dyno Dave tuned it, and it was already a beast. But I gotta tell you right now, as soon as you hit that throttle, it just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. Wow, that is awesome. Congratulations, Nedal. It is finally working exactly like you want it. All right, let's go. Wow. That's insane, is what that is. Just insane. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Holy smokes. Insane.
The power is on point.
Yeah, but after 4,000, oh my God, I've never seen anything like that.
It's like a turbo kick.
It just kicks in. It's like it just throws you right back. You think it's gonna die out, and then it just and then it just picks up. I love it, man. Absolutely love it. Oh my God, it's just perfect, man. All right, there you have it. This is the kind of content we've got for you on Fly and Ride. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. All right, mufflers are in. All right, Mr. Ulysses, this is your bike. You have the honor. Let's hear it. right, so this is start number 2 now without the baffles. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. We are off. Sounds awesome. Sounds good. So oye bueno. That is freaking loud. So we're gonna grab some lunch. That's gonna do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.